Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharetrading.school.com. Today is 16 January 2017. We will just quickly talk about Nifty's trend and then today's opportunity to trade in Nifty. If you look at Nifty's last daily chart, we have seen that this is a strong bearish bar, though there is a shadow down here. Market opened with gap. We had said that target of Nifty was around 8,600 and so 8,462. Indeed, it had actually touched that level, and after that, it had come down and closed almost uh, above, just below previous day's low. However, if you look at this, there is a long shadow down here, and that shadow itself shows that there was a recovery at the end of the day. And to look at that, if you look at in a line chart in hourly format, then you can see that there was a diversion which we have referred in last training. लास्ट वीडियो में आप देखेंगे कि हमने ये डाइवर्जन बताया था जिसकी वजह से उसके बाद हम करेक्शन एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे और हमने ये भी कहा था कि 20 का ईएमआई 20 ईएमआई विल एक्ट एज अ सपोर्ट. So this is just a correction, not a fall. For some time, that correction is needed, and indeed it had tested a support again here at 20 EMA. So what will happen today now is this, though the trend is intact because 150 and 20 EMA is in place, price is above 20 EMA and tested a support. Uh, Looking into this, we need accumulation somewhere here at around 20 EMA, and that is actually 8,375 level. So probably market will try and remain above this 8,375 level at this moment. And if in case it is intact, it remain intact, then chances are there that we may consolidate around this level. By that time, RSI may come down to 50 like this. If you look at this area, it had corrected. After that, it had actually remained around 20 EMA, form a W bottom formation, wherein RSI also actually remain intact around 50, and then again price has moved up. So chances are there that probably we may consolidate around this 20 EMA to the max. If in case 20 EMA breaches, because it may happen that correction may continue for some time, then 50 EMA can be act as a support, which is around 8,325. So in my view, 8,325 will be the maximum correction level, but at this moment we're talking about that would be too early because 20 EMA in hourly chart is intact. So what I'll just refer here in bar chart formation so that we will be able to see this properly. If you see last 2 days, this accumulation within this range, though the market opened above this expected target, and after that it had come down and again accumulated around this area. So in my view, this level, which actually if you look at this the second bar of day before yesterday, that is on Friday's bar, then low formed at around 8,374, and here again if you look at this, there is 8,374, that is 73, and here is also 73. So this level of 8,373 had acted as a strong support level. Twice it had tested that support, and around that at this moment, if you see, there is a 20 EMA in hourly chart. So that level remains as a very important level, and hence I will say that if market is above 8,373, we will not think of going short. We will not think of actually opening any trade as such. If in case market crosses 8,417 level, this level which had acted as a resistance, then we will think of going long and keeping a target of 8,460, around 60 level, 50 to 60. So if I see market is crossing 8,417 with price good volume, good trending, and if most of the index stocks are actually in bullish, I repeat, if most of the index stocks advance and decline ratio is in favor, if most of the stocks are advancing, and if Nifty is crossing 8,417, then I'll think of going long and I'll keep a target of 8,450 to 60 level, and then I'll book a profit around there. While doing that, I'll keep a stop loss of 8,375. rather 73 2 point below, so that is most necessary 8373. So 8370 I'll keep as a stop loss, so that there will be a little margin. So 8370 is my stop loss. I'll go long around 8420, and then I'll keep a target of 8450 to 60 level. So this is my trade. If at all market shows a favor, if in case this level of 8373 breaches, rather 8370, which I just talked about, 8370 breaches south, at that time if decline ratio is more than advance, then that time I'll think of going short, and I'll keep a target of 8316, or while it will be, I will be trailing this to 50 EMA, or rather to be precise, to be more comfortable, I'll keep this low, that is 8320, because there is a legal gap here, so gap may act as a support. So 8320-25 level, I'll just think of exit if at all 8370 level breaches with declining ratio is in favor of bears, then I'll keep a target of 8325, and then at that time I'll keep stop loss around 8420. So my strategy is ready. If price is in between this area 8420 and 8370, I will not initiate any trade, because it's a consolidation. So thank you very much, friends. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing, and wish you happy trading. Good day.